Now you go ahead.
Okay, sir. So basically, I have taken a sample letter, document of a letter that how a teacher will invite parents of the students on a parent-teacher meeting. So it is a very time-taking process if the teacher enters address and city of each and every parent, and then also the name of every student here in the letter. So the mail merge, the word provides us with this. Feature of a mail merge which help us in doing this task efficiently, and also it takes lesser time. So here I have taken up example of a letter. This is sample document of a letter. So you have to go into the taskbar of this word document and then go to mailings, and under the mailings you can select the start mail merge option, and then this drop down box will appear. Then you can click on the step by step mail merge wizard. This will open up a step-by-step mail merge wizard on the right side of the screen, as you can see here. So it is asking which type of document it is. So I have taken up the letter, so I will select this letter radio button and then click on this next option. So here it is asking also you can take templates which are provided by the Word or MS Office, or you can use this sample letter which I have used this current document. So select this current document and then click on the next two recipients. So here is the main function of this mail merge. You can type a list of the records which you want to input in this letter. Suppose I have typed here a list, edit the I have already typed a list. So you can type it by clicking on this radio button, type a new list, and then create button, and then here you can enter each field or each also you can customize your column names, like I don't require title, so I can delete it, or I don't require first name either, I can rename it. So here are the options which you can do this in the type new list. I will show you my created list that I done it for. Here you can see it. I have created a list of this mail merge recipients. So I have taken two examples. I have taken the columns like city, address, student name, and he or she, because my letter requires he and she student name. But my letter requires I have enter up the field name as that, so it is easy for me to understand. Also, I have then I have only taken two examples for this. Now you can also take many examples as you wish, as you want. So click here, OK, and then after typing the list, you can click next to write your letter. Here is the option. Here is the main thing comes up. If you want to and address, if you want how you will enter this into the letter. So click on the more items, and here you can see the fields which I have entered in the previous step. So it one of the most important step here is to put the cursor on the location where you want to address, where you want to insert that field. Suppose I want to enter address in under 2. So I want to I have to वहाँ पे put the cursor and then insert the address. So here you can see that I have previously entered address, so एक और address यहाँ पे add हो गया. And then sir, like suppose all like this I can also do city. Here I can here I have done student name, and here I have done he and she. So now I will erase it, first address, and then after inputting all the files, you can click on the next step. This will preview a letter. See, sir, I have written the address of two persons. So here is the address of first person, and here is the name of the student, and here is he or she. Here is he or she. It is entered in this. Suppose you want to see the next recipient, so I will click on the mail merge this recipient option, and then click on next. So here is the recipient to record. Address is different, the name is also different, and he she I have taken a girl name so that he she is also different. Now you can simply click on next and complete the mail merge option. Now you can do two steps. You can print it, or you can individual edit. Also you can this step, at this step also you can edit this, but you can also directly print it if the printer is attached to your PC. So I can print all records here. I can also print the current record here, and if I have many numbers of records, so I can also print records that are from like 1 to 2 or 1 to 100. So this is what mail must do.
So can we also email the text this file directly?
Yes, sir. You can also email this text file, but for that you have to create a Outlook profile. Here you can see at the first I have chosen letter. You can also choose email messages and then click on next. So it will automatically adjust it according to the mail format. And you can use this current document and then click next. Here you can also add like edit a recipient list. Here I can also add a field like email address, and then I can do that. So but for that, sir, I need a Outlook mail, so it is not currently attached to my this PC, so I have not done the email part. But yes, you can surely do that.
So one thing is you created this list. Can we import the list also if we have some list in already list in the Excel? Since we already
Yes,
have
sir.
a
Yes, sir.
data.
Yes, sir. You can. Yes, sir. Select, sir. You can also select from Outlook contacts, or you can select a different list. Like, sir, if we have already created a list in the MDB format, so list when we save it, we can also Excel. We can create it and then we can save it in .mdb format, and then we can click it and it will import to here.
Okay, so you mean it will import both files like Excel as well as MBD means access file, right? Is it?
Yes,
Means
sir.
database file.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So database may be in Excel or in any
Any no, sir, it is suppose it is easier to make the data file in Excel, or simply Word also provides us this feature to make data file only here only, so that we don't need to go to Excel or create a data file. Like on the type new list, we can select create, and it can give us the option to create the data file. It here
Okay, right,
also you
right,
can customize the
right,
columns.
right. Because many times what we happen now, we have our data in a Excel file. So that is why I am asking if we have a data file like we if I am talking about myself, let us say from the administrator I will get a class detail means the name and the address and the father names all the field in the Excel list. So whether I can import that list directly into that or I have to type it because this is another
Yes,
mess.
yes, sir.
This is another mess if we go and type the 120 students into the list. It is another mess. That's why I'm asking, can we simply import Excel list here? Have you tried?
Yes, sir. We can surely import the Excel list into convert after converting it into the Access file.
Okay, you means you have to convert Excel into Access, then
Yes,
we
sir.
can.
You just have to save it by .mdb extension.
Right, right. This is one. This is the one feature. Another feature is we can create a labels as Prachi said. हम labels भी बना सकते हैं. Labels is a sort of
Yes, sir. We can create envelopes and labels, but sir, I have not
right.
explored it right now.
Okay, that is the same thing. I think go to the label. Let's explore it. Go back.
Okay, sir. So here only I can go to labels.
Yeah, this is envelope, this and labels. So you can create the labels. You can create a iCards with the different names. Means if you are like a PAN card, you have a format. You want to print it for the many peoples, and similarly the Aadhaar card. The same things can be done with the help of this. Hence, if you want to create a iCard with the names of the students, or let us suppose you are organizing some event and you want to give some iCard to the student with their personal names and personal IDs. So you just have to do it. You can just have to collect the data and do the same thing here. Like same mail merge options you have to explore, right? Great, it's a great talk. And again it is no, it is, you know, it is a very old work, it is not a new to create a mail merge, but people are not using it because they are not aware about this. So our purpose is to, you know, to aware the peoples that they can use this mailware feature for their, you know, and to reduce their over repeating task basically. So it is good, it is good. Shubham gar, Shubham Agarwal, you want to tell something else? And this is good, how he can, how he created a document. You just scroll it down.
Yes, sir. It contains all the information which I have tell you now. It contains every each and every step of this.
राइट शुभम अग्रवाल, आपके पास कुछ और है?
No, sir, I have nothing more to add to the table.
It is same, right? Prachi?
The same here, nothing more to add.
Nothing more to add, right? Right. So it is good. So let's stop recording over here.